It really doesn't matter what picture or anything that I share with you guys. You are always asking me about my hair. So I'm finally making a video about it. I wanted to share the products that I've been using since I had Eleanor that have made my hair the best it's ever been. This is Act+Acre, and they have a scalp detox, a hair cleanse, and hair conditioner. Literally only 3 products that have transformed my hair. And the best thing about these products is that they use a cold press method. So it's better it just strengthens the nutrients in your hair. It doesn't deplete them, and it's better for the environment. The packaging is all sustainable. They are sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, and gluten-free. So all of these perks, and I believe that because they're non-toxic, your hair looks better. It's just like less damage on your hair. And on top of using these amazing products, I'll walk you through exactly how I use them. I'm also just going to share a simple way to style your hair, just an everyday look that's pretty natural and can really go from day to night. Super easy. First is the scalp detox. I use this once to twice a week, depending on the damage that my hair has been through. If I use a curling iron more, or if I do blow dry my hair, I definitely use this twice a week. And it's really simple. I'll walk you through how to do it. This is great because it has a basil leaf ingredient that helps strengthen the hair follicle, which strengthens the hair shaft. And I swear my hair has literally been growing like a weed since having the baby, and it did not look like this before. I always start by brushing out my hair, and I love this Mason Pearson brush. I've been using this for years because it brings the oil from your scalp through your hair. And then I take this little comb and I just start to section piece by piece. And you do not need a lot of this. You really just need the tiniest bit. And then I work it into the scalp. Take another little section. Don't squeeze too hard. I've done that once and my hair was much more oily than I intended. Tie your hair up and leave it in your hair for 20 minutes. I know it sounds like a long time, but I'm going to meditate with you. That's what I usually do. I'll do this sometimes in the evening or in the morning, whenever I have time to squeeze it in. You can do a little plank series, whatever it is, have breakfast, keep it in your hair, and then we're gonna wash it out. So after you wash it out, you simply just use the hair cleanse. And this is amazing. It has moringa and ylang ylang. The hair cleanse is great because this balances, nourishes, and soothes the scalp. And then after the hair cleanse, condition your hair. I only condition my hair from like the mid-length to the ends of my hair. I never do my scalp ever. And when you use this, you don't have to, because it's taking care of that treatment and your hair is going to grow like crazy. This one has amaranth and ylang ylang, and this just once again nourishes and makes your hair super, super soft. And it's really nice too because the scent is so calming, so I find it's perfect for before doing a little meditation. Okay, now I'm going to shower and then just show you quickly how I style my hair. And today I'm going to blow it out, but typically I don't. I let it air dry, but since I have you here, we'll just blow it out and then I'll style it quickly. I love this Dyson hair dryer. It blows your hair out in seconds and it's better for your hair. And now I'm using this GHD. I believe it's like the wavy curling wand. So it gives your hair that kind of like messed up wave where it doesn't look like you like walked out of the house with a curling iron stuck in your hair. Not a fan of that look. I like it a little like messy, undone, and I personally love this curler for that. So I'll just give you some waves. There's a little method to my madness. So I usually start halfway down the hair. So like midway down, and then I just do the middle and I hold the end. I hold it for just a couple seconds, run my hands through the hair, and I don't clip my hair up or anything. I literally move from the left side of my head all the way over to the right. And I just take it piece by piece. So you can see, start midway down, hold the end. I know it seems like so wrong, but I promise it ends up so right. So just trust me. Hold it for a few seconds. Make sure you run your hands through your hair and then just keep moving. It's really simple. I think I wrap, it depends on the length of your hair, obviously, but I wrap it like 2 to 3 times, no more than that. And then just keep going all around your hair. And then end back here. So when I come over to the right side, I flip the curling iron because it's hard for me to hold it this way. So I just make sure, use a glove with this if you get scared of the iron. I've been doing it for a long time, so I'm not afraid of that heat. And same thing, but I'm holding it with the right hand. It takes practice, but I don't hold it as long because the end is bigger. And then same thing, literally. It's so simple. This takes me no more than 10 minutes total. So I always think away from the face, almost like that Farrah Fawcett hair. Run your hands through. It looks like you didn't try too hard, but it's really soft and has movement. This is how I love to wear my hair pretty much all of the time. And it's pretty effortless. So if you air dry your hair and do what you need to do and then run the curling iron through it like I just did, it really is, I think, the most efficient way. I have no other products in my hair. I typically don't use any other products, but if I'm going out, I'll use hairspray, but for daytime, we just keep it really soft and natural. The difference in my hair now to when I was newly postpartum, I can't even explain the difference. I was fully balding here. I lost hair on both sides of my head and my hair was so thin and braille. And since using Act+Acre, I can honestly tell you that my hair has never looked healthier. It grows like a freaking weed and it's really shiny and healthy. So I can't recommend these products enough. I'm putting a link below for the hair cleanse, the Act+Acre conditioner, and the scalp detox, which you think you don't need it, but we all need it because it just makes your hair that much stronger and more beautiful. And I will put a link below so that you can get all of these Act+Acre products. And they only have 3 products, so that's it. Comment below if you guys have any hair questions at all, and I look forward to hearing what you think.